Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to change the language for TCL T311D, alias known as TCL 4041. As usual, we have here one sample. Let's check the currently installed languages in this phone. So these are all the languages available, and I'm planning to add a firmware that has Romanian as well. So let's power off the phone. For this process, I'm going to use SPD service tool and the FURIOUSGOLD box. Let's start by downloading from the support area the firmware with Romanian inside. Let's wait for the download to finish. Once ready, I'm gonna choose in the software our model and select write firmware and choose the downloaded firmware from the support area. Everything okay, the firmware is loaded and we are ready to start the flashing process. So I'm going to press connect and attach the phone with 1 in 4 keys pressed as the software instructs us. So let's do this. So 1 in 4 pressed, and we attach the cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the process starts. So let's wait for this process to complete. So that's it, the process ended. So let's check the mobile. So as you can see, the language is changed. We already have a lot more languages available. So we have Romanian as well. So everything went okay. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.